another NS intermodal. Same track too. But this is good enough. 4,003. This video of Norfolk Southern 4003 leading a intermodal train. That NS 4003 equals up to my first special unit on camera. I've seen a bunch of special units. This is my first one on camera. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.